So this is our package. Honestly, they sent us so much stuff in our package. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. They sent us a whole package with wig caps, headbands, all of these goodies came in our package. And this is the wig we'll be working with today. It is a 22-inch 5x5 body wave wig. It comes fully customized, ready to be installed. It's 100% glueless wig. No glue, no gel, no bald cap. None of that stuff is required. The unit comes fully customized with the strap on already pre-plucked. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. To get any other products from Celie here, their website's in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is a wig for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the inside. I will be wearing a wig cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our unit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my unit, and then we install our wig. This is what it's looking like without foundation. Just gonna add a little bit of foundation to my unit, and then we install our wig. Okay guys, so now that we added foundation, this is what our lace is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on, and again, it came with the strap on already, so it should be pretty easy for you guys to install. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so I just put my wig on, and this is it. It's already fully customized. All I need to do is to cut the excess lace off. It's completely glueless. This is it. Again, this wig is from Celie here. This is a 22-inch 5x5 body wave wig. This unit is completely glueless. It comes fully customized and ready to be installed. This is what it's looking like. If you want to get this unit, the link will be in my description, so make sure you go ahead and check out my description and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and install my unit. So I will be doing a glueless install on this unit. The only product that I'll be using is my Lots of Buddy mousse for this install. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the installation. So the first thing I'm about to do is to cut the excess lace off. This is what it's looking like. It comes fully customized and ready to be installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. This is what it's looking like. Just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Okay guys, so I just cut the excess lace off, and this is how it looks. It's given laid already. We haven't applied anything. It is completely glueless. Honestly, I love how it's looking already without anything being applied to the lace. This is it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some Lots of Buddy mousse around the hairline. I won't be making any baby hair for this install. I feel like I'm gonna keep it super natural. I like keeping my glueless units natural so you guys can see how it's supposed to be looking when you put it on. This is it. I'm definitely gonna keep it natural. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some Lots of Buddy mousse around the hairline, tie this down, let it dry, and basically that'll be it. It is that simple to install your unit. It comes fully customized. The strap's on, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-curled. Guys, everything has been done to the unit already. The only thing that is left to do is for you to install it and go. So go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So this is the wax stick that I use. Just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to my hair and then just use my hot comb to go through it. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna take this off and see what it actually looks like, whether it's dried or not, So this is what it's looking like after I took the strap off. It is completely glueless. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get some curls into this unit. Honestly, I love how it looks already. Because the unit comes customized already, I don't need to make any form of baby hair. I want you to see what the unit actually looks like without any form of additives. So I won't be making any baby hair. I'm definitely gonna keep it super simple. Just gonna make the curls and that will be it. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some curls into this unit, and that'll be it for this install. Remember, the link is down below, so go ahead and make your purchase. This wig is from Celie here. This is their 22-inch 5x5 glueless body wave wig. I absolutely love how this is turning out already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get some curls into this unit, add my little finishing touches, and that'll be it for this video. Guys, go ahead and check out the rest of the video. Skinny serum as well, and this smells so good. I'm gonna apply some before I actually apply the heat protection spray, just to give it a little bit of moisture. So I just finished making my curls and this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna pull them out with my finger and that will be it, honestly. I don't want them to be too tight. I just want them to be perfect. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It is super bouncy. I love how this turned out. It is super fluffy. I got some really nice curls. I love them. I love how it turned out. This is it. You can see the volume in the hair. Now that we did the curls, you can see the body and the texture of the hair now that we finished. It is just super soft and you can see it is super bouncy. I love it. This is how it turned out. It is completely glueless. This is it. Again, this wig is from Celie here, and this is their 22-inch 5x5 body wave wig. This unit is 100% glueless. It comes fully customized, ready to be installed. This is what it's looking like after I finish installing it. It's giving volume, it's giving soft, it's giving bouncy, it's giving glueless. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link, make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Celie here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. It's giving volume, it's giving natural, it's giving glueless, and I just love it. This is it. Overall, I love everything about this unit. The fact that it comes fully customized and it's so easy to be installed is just another plus for me. If I was to rate this unit, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. The unit fits my head so good. It's so easy to install. It comes fully customized. It's so soft. The texture is just amazing. It's screaming volume and body, and you can see the curls are super bouncy. This is it. I would definitely give this unit a 10, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is the finished look, guys. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.